The Car and the Little Mouse, A Strange Romance. Chapter 1. The Lonely Car. In a quiet parking lot on the edge of a busy city, there stood a shiny red car named Ruby. Ruby was not just any car. She was a Toyota Corolla, elegant, smooth, and proud of her speed. But deep inside, she was lonely. Every day, people sat inside her, they drove her fast, they played loud music, but no one ever talked to her at night when the parking lot became silent. Ruby would whisper, "Is there anyone who sees me? Not just as a car?" Chapter 2. The Tiny Visitor. One cold evening, a tiny gray mouse named Milo ran into the parking lot looking for food. Milo was small, scared of everything, but very curious. He noticed the red car shining under the moonlight. "Wow, what a big red mountain," he whispered. He slowly climbed onto her tire. Ruby felt something tickling. "Who's there?" she said nervously. Milo froze. "Mouse, please don't crush me." Ruby was surprised. "A mouse? You can talk?" "Yes. Can't you?" And just like that, their strange conversation began. Chapter 3. Two Different Worlds. Every night after that, Milo would visit Ruby. He would sit near her windshield and talk about his tiny mouse adventures, running from cats, finding crumbs of bread, dreams of seeing the big world. Ruby would tell him about long highways, speeding through rain, traffic jams, the feeling of wind on her body. They were from completely different worlds. One was huge, one was tiny, but their loneliness connected them. Chapter 4. The Moment of Realization. One night, it started raining heavily. Milo was stuck outside, shivering. Ruby opened her slightly broken window gap and said, "Come inside. It's warm here." Milo hesitated. "I might chew your wires." Ruby laughed softly. "I trust you." Milo entered. For the first time, he felt safe. For the first time. Ruby didn't feel empty that night. Milo said, "You know, when I sit inside you, I feel like I'm traveling the world." Ruby replied softly, "And when you talk to me, I feel alive." That was the moment they both knew this was not friendship anymore. This was love. Chapter 5. The Danger. One evening, a big black cat entered the parking lot. Milo panicked. The cat chased him. Milo ran under Ruby. The cat tried to attack. Ruby did something brave. She set off her car alarm loudly. Beep, beep, beep. The security guard came running. The cat ran away. Milo was safe. "You saved me," Milo whispered. "I would protect you every time," Ruby replied. Chapter 6. The Sad Goodbye. One day, Ruby's owner came. He said, "This car is sold. We're moving." Ruby felt fear. Milo heard the engine start. He ran as fast as he could. Wait, don't go. Ruby's engine trembled. I don't want to leave. But cars don't choose their path. Humans do. Milo watched her drive away. The parking lot became empty. Dot, comma, silent. Dot, comma, lonely. Chapter 7. The Unexpected Return. Weeks passed. Milo missed her. Then one evening, he heard a familiar engine sound. It was Ruby. The new owner lived nearby. Ruby parked in the same lot. Milo couldn't believe it. You came back! Ruby smiled through her headlights. Maybe destiny likes strange love stories. The moral: love doesn't care about size, shape, metal, or fur, wheels or whiskers. Love only cares about connection.